Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about MTO in purchase module of Odoo 19. Let's dive into the purchase module and let's move on to the configuration settings. And in Odoo 19, you can surprisingly see that we have replenish on order. So upon enabling the MTO, you can allow to make to order or automate purchase order when a product is sold and get direct links between the document. So once you enable this feature, you can save the changes that you have made under the configuration settings. Now you can move on to the product and let's consider any of the product over here. While choosing the product, always make sure that the product has the type as goods, and then only it will be treated as um, an inventory product, and you can just track the inventory of the item. So upon moving on to the inventory, here you can find we have just enabled the replenish on order. So this is one of the new feature that you can find under Odoo 19. As you just compare with the previous version of Odoo, you know that if you want to just get the root replenish on order, you just need to move on to the inventory module, and under the roots, we just need to unarchive the replenish on order to get the MTO under the root options of the product. So now you can easily get the MTO in your fingertip. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to connect Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.